Hey everyone, how's it going today? Happy June. Summer's here. Yay! Woo-hoo. I wanted to share with you all our monthly wellness box. These are always fun and exciting just to share all of the awesome products we get each month. I have been a Young Living member for over 3.5 years, and every single month I try something new. I always chuckle when people say they don't need anything more because we have like over 700 different products, and I've been on the rewards program for, like I said, 3.5 years, and I am still trying new products. So there is something for everyone with our company. So I'll just take a quick couple of minutes and show you what we got this month, okay? So we got, let's start with this, the Copaiba Vanilla. I got the conditioner. I still had some shampoo. I go through conditioner faster than shampoo. This one smells really good, and it has none of the junk in it. You know, parabens, phthalates, all of those toxins are really bad for our system, and you put them right in your head where they go right into your brain. So we are very critical about using all chemical-free, all-natural personal care products. So this is the conditioner. And along those lines, I am trying this one for for the first time, Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. So we have a full line of skincare products that are all natural, plant-based, chemical-free, free of toxins, free of anything that could potentially harm you. And you know, you put this stuff on your body every day, and a lot of people don't think about the fact that you put a little bit on today, a little bit on tomorrow, a little bit on the next day. That's called bioaccumulation. And it builds up in your system over time. So it's really important to think about what you put on your skin, because you know, I always thought that our skin was a barrier, but actually our skin is a carrier. Like, it invites things into your cells. So you do need to be careful about what you put on your skin. This one smells really nice. So this is a huge bottle. Our skincare products are really affordable. This will probably last me like 6-8 months. I mean, look how huge it is. It's 4 ounces, so really nice. And it has the sandalwood. It's got tons of oils in it. So these skincare products are a great way to get the oils into your system too, because each of the oils have such good health benefits. So those were our 2 personal care products. And then I got our Pure Protein Complete. So we have several different protein powders. This one is chocolate flavored, and of course with Young Living you're never going to get anything synthetic, anything artificial. A lot of companies will put maltodextrin in their protein powders, and they'll put artificial sweeteners and all that junk that's so bad for your system. Ours is super high quality ingredients that are going to just build your healthy cells. And then I got the calcium. So every woman should be taking a calcium supplement unless you want to have osteoporosis and fall and break your hip. So I got our calcium supplement. Great quality here. And I know there's a lot of oils in here too that really, our supplements all help your body absorb. It helps with the bioavailability. So our supplements all have oils that help you absorb them better, so you don't just pee them out. Agiles, this is one you'll see on our order every single month. I talk about it all the time because my husband Shane and I both take it. It's so good for your joints, bones, muscles, ligaments, anything. If you have any pain in your joint, this is like thebomb.com, seriously. It will give you so much freedom. Seriously, good stuff here. And the rest are oils. So this is Tranquil. This one comes as a roll-on. This is one of my favorites. I keep it at my bedside because if I wake up in the night, I just roll this on my forehead or, you know, behind my ears or on my chest. It smells so good, and I just fall right back to sleep. It's awesome. And then this one is new, and I got Valor. So Valor is not new, but it's new as a roll-on, and it's a better value actually to buy it as a roll-on, because you get a larger, it's a 10 milliliter instead of a 5. Having trouble opening it, but I really wanted to put some on. I usually put Valor on before I do these videos. Anyways, I'll have to get a knife to open this, but it's a really pretty roll-on. And then you can just apply it to your wrists. This one smells so good. I love it. What else did we get? Show you the free ones last. These were all free. I ordered Hong Kwai. So this one is part of the Lucy Libido group, and you can look that one up to find out the benefits for Hong Kwai. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a Lucy Libido class next month as well. And then this is Lady Scleriol, and this also is from her group, and this is for female hormones. So this one, I don't think I have. It's a new one to me. And what else did I get? I think all the rest were free. Free. These were all free. So when you order products with Young Living, they just give you free stuff if you're on Essential Rewards. If you're not on Essential Rewards, you are missing out. Look at all these free things. So I got lemongrass. We go through a boatload of lemongrass because we put it on our dryer balls. The wool dryer balls will allow you to, instead of fabric softener, which is just loaded with toxic chemicals, they say fabric softener is literally like the worst, most toxic thing that people bring into their home. So fabric softener dryer sheets you should not be putting in your laundry. So lemongrass we put on our dryer balls. The dryer balls make your clothes dry faster, so you save money. And then there's no chemicals, and we actually save money by not buying dryer sheets. Lavender was free this month. Lavender is a classic. Everyone needs lavender in their home. Cypress, I believe Cypress was free. I would not have ordered it because I don't need a new bottle just yet. Cypress is really great for the circulatory system. If you know someone who gets bloody noses or things like that, you just apply Cypress right away and it will stop the bleeding like immediately. It's crazy. M-Grain, so I can't say specifically what M-Grain is for, but a lot of people like to use it on their temples and then they find relief. They do not have pressure or tension in their head after applying this. So this was a freebie here. Who likes to take, you know, pills and medication when they get head discomfort? I don't, so this one is perfect for that. And we got citronella for free. This one, we diffuse this when we're sitting out on our deck and we can actually enjoy our backyard annoyance free. It smells nice indoors too, and there's actually health benefits to it as well. But this is great to diffuse on your deck or just apply it topically, mix with some coconut oil or whatever, or spray it on your body, mix it in a little spray bottle. Nice way to enjoy the outside annoyance free. And we got Orange Vitality. So the Vitality ones are labeled as an internal supplement. So this is really good like in your beer, in your, what's it called, the beer that we like, that's a wheat beer. They put an orange in it. So this is really good in your wheat beers, or it's really good in your water, or you can also diffuse it. It's so good. Don't apply it topically though in the summer and go in the sun because those citrus oils will make you a little more photosensitive and more apt to sunburn. And what else? Oh, this was the big daddy. So this was the Roman chamomile. It is only available right now as a free promo item because it has been out of stock for over a year, maybe over 2 years. Been out of stock forever because with Young Living, we own all of our own farms, and when something, you know, we can't grow it, we're dependent on Mother Nature. So if we can't grow something and produce it, it will go out of stock, and the company will take a huge cut on profits because they're losing money on all of these highly sought after products and oils. So if there's other companies that always have all their oils in stock, it tells you they're fake. All right, so you want to steer clear because they're putting additives and chemicals and all the junk in them that are really bad for you. Because when you think of it, essential oils are distilled down, so all that stuff is highly concentrated when they're putting adulterating them to make them cheaper. So Royal Chamomile or Roman Chamomile is great for a nighttime, a sleep oil too. So that was free too. So, and then we got our newsletter, and that's about it. So lots of freebies, lots of great stuff for summer. If you're interested in getting started, message me, or if your account has gone inactive, I can help you get reactivated very easily without a starter kit. And we are doing some classes in Brighton next week, so if you want to come join us, message me and I will hook you up. All right, have a good day. Bye.